Corona is all over the world. The best is quarantine. A kingdom of isolation where you can be the queen. The wind is howling while you're binge watching inside. Social distancing's gonna be alright. Just stay at home, I guarantee. It's spreading slower, it just has to be. Obey, don't whine, and let them know what they need to know. Stay at home, stay at home. Excuses don't count no more. Stay at home, stay at home. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let quarantine begin. Staying in never bothered me anyway.
It's funny how some distance saves other people's lives. Just consider the immunocompromised and do without high fives. It's time to see what you can do to slow it down and help out too. Stay put, stay strong, one simple thing is worth considering. Stay at home, stay at home. Eat your snacks and use Wi-Fi. Stay at home, stay at home. Don't you ever ask me why. Here I am, and here I stand. Quarantine begins. The virus spreading through the air into your mouth. And shaking hands means passing it on from north to south. So please just wash your hands as often as you can. And stay at home for once and make an indoor plan. Stay at home, stay at home. Watch movies till the break of dawn. Stay at home, stay at home. Take some walks on your lawn. Play board games all night and day. The quarantine begins. Staying in never bothered me anyway.